What's going on, party people? And by party people, I mean dinner party people. I hope you're having a great day. My name's Andrew. Welcome to the channel. Today, we are gonna REKA bone marrow flatbread. Bone marrow flatbread. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make bone marrow, which is a bougie way of upgrading most of your meals. I went to my local deli butcher. There are 3 bones that I had him cut long ways in a cross section. They're only like $12, $13. What we're gonna do in a whole nother recipe is show you how to make sourdough bread. But for today, I've already prepped my dough and it's ready to go. That was overnight proofing for 12 hours, then I kneaded it again and it's proofed for another 3 hours. As you can see here, I brined all of these bones overnight. It gets all the contaminants off, and it also brines a lot of the blood out of the bone. You can see all of the red content in the water. I'm just using a little piece of foil to create a cradle effect so that it holds the bone marrows upright so that they don't tip. Very simple garnish. I'm gonna take some large flaky sea salt on top of each of the bones. The classic appetizer is your kind of garlic parm or garlic cheese pizza or flatbread.
I've seen this one, this is a classic.
In my personal opinion, it takes it up a few levels. Let's take 4 of these garlic cloves. I'm gonna break each one of these. Loading my mincer, I'm going to set it in the middle. Taking my brush, I'm just kind of delicately moving the garlic and trying to break it up, evenly distributing it across the surface. I'm just taking a very small amount of rosemary, a little bit of lemon zest, just a very little bit. Now, we're gonna put this in the oven on bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes. We're going to now make the topping sauce. We're gonna drizzle it with all of this flavorful, explosive goodness. We have some chives, 5 garlic cloves of flaky salt, red onion, 1 lemon, a bunch of cilantro, and some olive oil. We're just gonna have little small pieces like that. Cilantro. Adding that to the bowl. Quite a generous portion of salt. We're gonna take some of our lemon. Trying to get that zing, that zest. Use that same lemon. Anaconda, squeeze. Garlics. It's like loading your little cap gun. A cup of olive oil. This is gonna drizzle all over the top as a beautiful condiment. I'm gonna put this in the fridge until we get done with making our wood-fired flatbread at that. So let's take this onion, and I wanna get some very, very thin slices so that I can garnish this flatbread prior to cooking in our wood-fired oven. Ooh. Woo, woo. What we have here is delightful to smell. We're gonna move on now to our sourdough flatbread base. Taking our sourdough here that's been proofed. Sourdough is made with unbleached flour. The bleaching has chemicals in it that kills the healthy bacteria that causes sourdough to be so awesome. You can see here I've got all of that beautiful, that's what makes sourdough so awesome. I'm gonna take half of this, see? It's like some sort of sci-fi movie where someone touches that one thing and he gets it all over him and he becomes an alien.
Hey, Parker.
One of the things that the 2020 pandemic gave me was time to be able to learn a few more things. And one of the things I decided to learn was how to work with a sourdough starter. That's a lot of fun. Taking our pizza peel. Okay, we're gonna garnish this. Watch this, here's all the magic coming together quickly. So we're gonna take our beautifully thinly sliced red onion and we're gonna set that on there like so. Okay, so that's gonna be enough for there. And we're gonna finish with a little bit of salt. And let's go put it in the oven. Now comes the exciting part. We're gonna take one of our bone marrows that's just come out and you can see all of the oils, and we're gonna just use a spoon and just drive down the aqueduct. Just medallions of glory. There's little bits of zest and rosemary. Start to put sections all around this flatbread. Guys, if you do this for your guests, you are gonna have some happy folks. So now comes that glorious part of every recipe where you get to partake of your labors. We are going to use this pretty average little pizza slice. Let's taste it. Oh man, that is ridiculous. I know I say ridiculous a lot. This is stupid good. It's citrusy and salty and herby. It's really good. The crust is perfect. Pro tip. First pro tip is always have a plate. Second pro tip, you need someone that's on security guarding this. There's gonna be that one person that destroys this. Sir, it is stupid good. Guys, you need to come check this out. This is one of our best recipe tastings ever. Oh my God, look, hold on. It's stupid good, huh? Security guarding this. I was expecting it to be quite oily and fatty, but the citrus and the oil balance perfectly. The sourdough flatbread is a perfect proportion. It is magical. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
That's ridiculous.
Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please share this with your friends. Get the REKA gospel out there. Make sure you like and subscribe, especially if you want to see these upcoming recipes. We've got some really amazing, tasty creations coming your way. Thanks for watching again. Have a wonderful day, and give us a recommendation below on a recipe that you would like me to hit up. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.